if it was possible to hear it from the recording, but first thing, it slightly backfires at idle. Second, the ticking noise, I think, is coming from the clutch or from the cam chain area somewhere, and also on cylinder number 4, which is on the other side of the bike. I think I can hear the valves ticking. So unfortunately I know that on the valve head on the other side, around cylinder number 4, there is one broken bolt. So I don't know if this is going to be the issue, but I will have to double check the valve clearance and everything on the other side. I will have to synchronize the carbs again a bit, and I will have to play with the pilot screws as well, because while cleaning the carbs I took them out, cleaned everything and put them back. So they are definitely not in the right position. I tried to sort of play with them, but it's not good. The bike definitely runs much better than when I bought it, but still there is the clicking noise which annoys me, and I will have to solve the issue before I go on the road. If you have any hints, if you could hear anything from the recording, let me comment. If anyone watches, I'll be happy to read something, because I'm really new to this and I took it as my new hobby, so I'm learning all the time. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.